Hi my peeps, good morning. So guys, here I have some soursop leaf, but I didn't actually use the leaf. I used this part, the stick part. You can put the leaf in it. I'll come with another video of that. So you make some soursop leaf, stick part, or you can put this one and some fever grass, lemongrass. All right, you just put it to a boil, and then you can use some honey to sweeten it, guys. Oopsie, no, don't make the plastic burn. My daughter loves this tea, right, Sonny? Yeah, Sonny loves this. It's good for your immune system, good for your gut health, good for cold and flu as well. It's gonna clean and build your immune system. So just put it on in some water and let it boil. Ooh. If the stick them come out, you just squeeze them back down in there. Or you can cover up the pot. Alright. So about 3 to 5 minutes boiling, and just strain it off. Alright. Quick and easy, quick and fast. Alright my peeps, so we can turn the stove off. Alright, I'm just gonna pour a little bit in here. This calls for a big cup, okay guys? Yeah, and I'm gonna make some for my daughter as well. And I got some honey here. This one is cheap from the Dollarama. We're gonna put like a tablespoon, something like that. And you just want to mix. You can put some lime or lemon juice if you want. I'm gonna drink it just like that. Alright guys, so we're gonna put it here on the saucer, and look at that goodness. That's it. And guys, look, we have some fried plantain over here. Hey, look at this guys. Yeah, good for cold and flu, good to clean and build your immune system. You know, soursop leaf help to fight away cancer, good for diabetes and lower blood pressure, high blood pressure, and fever grass. You know, it's good for cold and flu, inflammation, and all of that. Good gut health as well. Gonna clean and build your immune system. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. This is just a quick video. I was gonna make a video, but my daughter loves this tea, so I'm gonna share it with you. I love it too, and my son loves it. We love it. Fever grass. Jamaican people love fever grass tea. Alright, but combine it with the soursop leaf or soursop stick. Great combo. Alright guys, you have a good day. Look at that. Yes, you can drink it like that. Even when it's cold, you can make iced tea with it, guys. This is how good this tea is. Alright. Bye guys.